Seth Godin, a famous marketer, once said in one of his books that you are either remarkable or you are invisible. You are either remarkable or you are invisible. Hey, this is Vishal Sarkar from vishalsarkar.com, and this week's tip is all about how to become really remarkable. You know, in 2014, in a country like India, there is no space for being average. Most people are just getting by and they are just getting out from any company or clients. Whether you run a business or you work for a business, there is no place for average anymore, and that's the news that I am bringing to the world, called news of excellence. There is no place for good anymore. I mean, good, everybody is good, and good will only make you invisible. You'll vanish like hell. Why? Because the job market is so competitive. If you look at the economic situation in the country, it's really challenging. People are panicking. People are losing jobs. People are losing customers. In this era, what can you do as an entrepreneur? What can you do as a worker of an organization to increase your market share? Well, I have a couple of tips for you. I'm not going to give everything right now in this small video, but I do have some tips. Number one, improve your technical skills. Upgrade yourself. For example, if you are a website designer, take some more courses, read some more books, read about the business, read about how it's going. Because if you think that, okay, I used to be good 2 years back, I'm still good, it's not going to happen, because colors fade away. You need to improve. Always remember, you are updated or you are outdated. You are updated or you are outdated. So improve your technical skills. Number two, improve your people skills. This era is of honestly people skills. If you have great technical skills but you don't know how to get along with people, you will get out of the organization pretty fast. You need to know how to communicate effectively, not just speak, but how to really connect with people when you're speaking to them. How to really connect with people when you're speaking to clients, your senior management team, you're pitching a product or a service. You need to do that, okay? So improve your technical skills and upgrade your people skills. And number three, upgrade the way you lead yourself. This is huge. Most people never do that. Learn how to lead yourself, how you carry yourself. People should look at you and feel, man, this guy is remarkable. He's excellent at something, and that's what you need to do. Remember, before you have, you have to be. Before you have to be. So you have to be the person who's worthy of the job, who's worthy of the promotion, who's worthy of more money, who's worthy of my business. That's how you become remarkable. So three things: improve, update your technical skills, upgrade your people skills, and upgrade the way you lead yourself. If you do these three things in 2014, I can guarantee to you that you can become remarkable. And like Seth Godin said, you can either be remarkable or invisible. This is your time, my friend. I'm telling you, this is your time to become remarkable. This is Vishal Sarkar, your excellence coach, reminding you that excellence is never an accident. Excellence is your choice. Take care.